Today we will examine how the rise of AI systems will influence the job market in India by analysing the impact on 10 of the country's biggest employers. There has been much polarised discussion on the effect AI will have on employment. So today we're going to try and take a balanced view by using an AI impact rating of low, moderate or high. This AI impact rating will help describe how much each company is expected to let smart computers and robots perform tasks rather than humans. Low. Only a few tasks become automated. Most jobs stay the same. Moderate. A noticeable part of daily work will be done by AI, but new kinds of jobs will also appear. High. AI will change many routine activities and create a sizable demand for people who can work with these tools. The percentages we are going to quote are estimates of how many employees could see their everyday duties altered. For example, moving from manual data entry to supervising an automated system. It does not mean that the company will necessarily cut that many jobs. Often the same or sometimes more positions are created in new areas such as data analysis, AI model training, and system oversight. Across all 10 employers, the overall trend is more digital work, fewer repetitive manual tasks, and a growing need for people who can understand and manage AI-driven tools. So let's give a quick summary of the 10 employers we're going to cover. Indian Railways, covering public transport. With approximately 1.4 million employees, this is a very large employer, spanning the length and breadth of the country. The AI impact rating is moderate, with 5 to 10% of the workforce likely to be affected or see role changes over the next 5 years. Creating new digital assistant roles and upskilling needed for data-driven operations. Tata Group, large conglomerate. With 750,000 employees across all subsidiaries, the AI impact is moderate to high, varying by unit, with 8 to 15% of the workforce affected overall. Factories are expected to get more robots and the expansion of AI services, creating many new tech-related jobs. Reliance Industries, energy, retail and telecom. With around 350,000 employees, the AI impact is high, with 10 to 16% of the workforce affected overall. AI will expand in the telecoms network, retail and refinery optimization, and many data science roles can be added. Infosys, IT services. With around 350,000 employees, the AI impact is moderate, with 6 to 12% of the workforce affected. There will be a shift from routine coding to AI-assisted development and consulting. State Bank of India, banking. With some 250,000 employees, the AI impact is high, with 12 to 18% of the workforce affected. Many back-office jobs will be automated, and there will be demand for AI-trained analysts and chatbot supervisors. Wipro, IT services. With around 250,000 employees, the AI impact is moderate, with 6 to 10% of the workforce affected. Similar to Infosys, there will be more AI project work and less manual testing. Amazon India, e-commerce and logistics. With approximately 180,000 employees, the AI impact is high, with 15 to 20% of the workforce affected. The increase in AI-controlled warehouse robots and routing for deliveries with automated customer service is likely to create new tech supervisory jobs. Hindustan Unilever, fast-moving consumer goods. With around 70,000 employees, the AI impact is low to moderate, with 4 to 8% of the workforce affected. AI will help with demand forecasting and marketing, with modest automation of repetitive admin tasks. Indian Oil Corporation, oil and gas. With some 33,000 employees, the AI impact is moderate, with 7 to 12% of the workforce affected. AI is likely to be used in predictive maintenance and logistics optimization, with some plant floor roles changing. Bharti Airtel Telecom. With around 22,000 employees, the AI impact is moderate to high, with 9 to 14% of the workforce affected. AI is likely to be used for network management, fraud detection, and virtual assistance, resulting in more analytics and support roles being created. Job losses or change of roles. While all of this change in job roles could theoretically mean significant job losses across industries, there is one factor that needs to be taken into consideration. It has been estimated that 30% of the Indian workforce hold qualifications that exceed their current job requirements. This is a sizable talent pool for internal mobility, succession planning, and upskilling initiatives. Within IT and finance sectors, they exhibit the highest surplus percentages, 40% and 25% respectively, signalling immediate opportunities for role realignment or project-based redeployment. This indicates that a sizable proportion of employees affected by the expansion of AI are likely to be capable of being retrained or upskilled to fill the new AI supervisory roles that will be created. So what can employers do to help ease this new AI-assisted set of changes into their companies? Establish an internal mobility platform, creating a digital hub where employees can view and apply for roles that match their surplus qualifications. Formalise skill-based promotion criteria. Incorporate qualification beyond role metrics into promotion criteria, ensuring transparent career progression. Targeted reskilling for low surplus functions. Deploy qualified beyond role talent from high surplus areas like IT and finance to mentor and upskill operations and sales teams. Create a high potential registry. Flag employees with 2 or more surplus credentials and greater than 3 years tenure for accelerated leadership programs. Review compensation alignment. Conduct a market pay audit for qualified beyond role employees to mitigate the attrition risk of them leaving. Quarterly talent surplus dashboard. Automate a data refresh and publish a concise dashboard to senior leadership. Communication campaign. Launch an internal communication series highlighting mobility pathways and success stories. So what can workers in these industries do to prepare for the changes that are coming? Learn the basics of data handling. Even a short online course on how to organize spreadsheets or understand simple charts can be useful. Get comfortable with digital assistants and chatbots. Practice using tools like Google Assistant, Siri, or company-specific bots. Notice what they can do and where they fall short. Explore introductory AI or automation tutorials. There are many free platforms which offer no-code introductions to how AI makes decisions. Focus on uniquely human skills. Problem-solving, creativity, empathy, and relationship building are hard for machines to replace. Talk with your manager about reskilling programs. Many employers already run internal training for AI literacy. Ask how you can join. AI will not be a single rise of the robots. It's more like giving every business a set of smarter tools that can do repetitive work faster and with fewer mistakes. For India's biggest employers, this will mean some routine jobs will shrink, especially those that involve repetitive data entry or manual inspection. New roles will appear. People who teach AI what to look for, watch over automated systems, and turn AI-generated insights into real business actions. Overall employment numbers are unlikely to fall dramatically across these firms. Instead, the nature of many jobs will evolve. By staying curious, learning a little about how data is used, and building skills that complement technology rather than compete with it, workers can ride this change confidently and keep their careers moving forward. There is a significant internal talent reservoir, which is roughly 1/3 of the Indian workforce, whose education, certifications, or demonstrated skills exceed their current job requirements. This surplus is especially pronounced among senior and technical roles, presenting a clear opportunity to accelerate internal mobility, strengthen succession pipelines, and reduce the skills gap exposure. By putting these approaches into practice, the organisations can reveal untapped potential, boost employee involvement, and improve business results without significantly raising expenses on external recruitment. But that's it for today. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching today's video. Please feel free to click on the link in the description below to discover more videos.